Welcome back to another episode of C programming tutorial. In the previous part we learned about how to use what is the syntax of a simple if loop in C program. So here in this episode we are going to learn about how to use an if else in C programming. So here is the syntax of using an if else in C programming. First, you have to put an if loop with a condition. The condition is always a boolean statement, and if there is only one statement is available, you can avoid these brackets. And if there is more than one statements are available, then you have to put all these statements on these brackets. And this is the syntax of using an else with an if loop. And make sure that the else is coming soon after an if loop clause. That means it is not possible to put any other statement between these brackets and else. That is not correct. You have to place the else soon after the ending bracket of an if loop. That means this else is associated with this if loop. That is not possible to use an else independently other than an if loop. You can use an if loop without an else, but it is not possible to use an else without an if loop in C programming. So the working of this loop is very simple, as we already learned the working of an if loop. If this condition is a true one, this block of statements will execute, otherwise it is not executed. So if this condition is a true one, then compiler will execute this block of statements. At that time the else part is not considered. If this condition is a false one, then at that time the statement associated with the if body is skipped from execution. At that time the else part will execute. So it's very simple, the working of an if else loop. If the condition is true one, it will execute the if body, and if the condition is a false one, it will execute the else part. So I just demonstrate it with a working example here. I declare two variables a and b of integer type, and I assign a value of 5 to variable a and assign another value 10 to b. Sorry, no need of these. I just read the value from the user, printf, enter the first number, and read it into variable a using scanf function. Scanf is an integer, so use the format string %d and put a comma operator, and use the address operator ampersand and type the variable name. Here the variable name is a. Okay, so now ask for the second number, enter the second number, and save it into variable b. Put a slash in here for getting a new line. Okay, now here I am going to check which one is the largest number using an if else. So if a greater than b, so printf /n %d is the large number. %d is the large number, and provide that variable name. Here the large number is a. Okay, that means if this statement is true, it will print out a is the large number. So if this statement is a false one, then there are two situations: b is greater than a, or a and b are same. So here I just considered only one situation, that means b is the large number, so I put an else statement and print out b is the large number. There is one more possibility. There is one more possibilities are there, because here we are going to provide two different values for a and b. If you give same value, for a and b, this will execute, because whenever this statement is going false, then the else part will execute. Okay, so I save the program, compile it. Okay, there is no compiler error, compilation is success, and now I'm going to run it. Okay, it asks for the first number, I enter the first number 5, and ask for the second number, I enter a value for b is 9. So here is the output, 9 is the large number. So we can analyze the program with that input values. I put 5 for a, that means this condition will become 5 greater than 9. That means this will return false. Whenever the boolean condition associated with an if loop return false, the body of that if loop will skip from execution. So here the else part will execute. If I give a as the large number, then this else part will not execute. So here I just run the program again, run it. So here I provide a as the large number. Here you can see that else part is not executed now, because the if loop is, the condition associated with this if loop is true now. So only this statement will execute now, and this statement is not executed. Okay guys, this is how we using an if else statement, an if else in a C programming. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe now for getting more video updates, and thank you for watching. See you in the next part.